14 things girls will only do if they have strong feelings for you. 1. She texts you first multiple times in a row, even though it sometimes takes you days to answer her. She wants to talk to you so badly that she pushes her expectations aside for a chance at conversation. 2. She inconveniences herself in order to spend more time with you. She stays up past her bedtime to keep texting you. She shows up at work early, so your schedules overlap. She cancels plans with friends to see you instead. She places you first on her list of priorities. 3. She makes excuses to touch you every chance she sees. She will place the palm of her hand against yours to compare the sizes. She will run her hands through your new haircut to test how it feels. She will steal your hat and tickle you and play fight with you just to hold your attention. 4. Whenever she uploads pictures to her Snap or Instagram story, she keeps checking through the list of views to see if you have watched it yet. Your name is the only name she cares about. 5. Whenever you mention a girl you're interested in, she shuts down. She won't actively act catty, but she will go quiet. She will show clear signs that something is wrong. 6. She gives you chance after chance. It doesn't matter if you drop out of her world for a month and then return. She will still be there because even though she knows she deserves better, she cannot pull herself away from you. 7. She remembers the most minuscule things about you. Things most of your friends wouldn't even remember. Things you don't even remember telling her. 8. Whenever you ask her to hang out, she is available. Even if she has something else to do, she will find a way to see you. She doesn't want to miss out on a chance to spend more time with you. 9. She likes all of your selfies, unless you're pictured with another girl. 10. She sits as close to you as possible, even when she has the chance to sit on a separate bench or couch. Instead of giving you personal space, she gets so close that your arms brush. 11. She asks if you're single. She keeps telling you how she cannot believe you're single. And then she mentions how she is also single. 12. She gives away her feelings with her body language. She fiddles with her hair. She licks her lips while looking at yours. She keeps applying her chapstick over and over again. 13. Whenever she is scheduled to meet up with you, even for 15 minutes, she looks stunning. Her makeup is done. Every hair is in place. She's wearing clothing that makes her ass look amazing. Meanwhile, when you run into her when she wasn't expecting to see you, she looks like normal. She clearly puts in more effort when she is planning on seeing you. 14. She sleeps with you, even though she already made it clear she wants you to be her boyfriend. It's her wrongful way of trying to convince you to love her back. Thanks for watching this whole video. Please like and share this video with your friends, and do subscribe our channel to watch amazing video.